I have a brand new Galaxy S9. And you know what that means? We are going to drop it. Now, we ran a similar test last year with the S8, and well, this is how it ended up. And since the S9 has the same Gorilla Glass 5, both on the front and on the back of the phone, I'm not expecting it to do any better. In fact, it might actually do worse because it is slightly thicker and slightly heavier, but that's what we're gonna find out. We're starting this off at hip height, which is about 3 feet onto the sidewalk face up. Here we go. So it landed face up just as I dropped it, so I don't know what the damage is like, but let's take a look. I'm a little bit afraid to turn it over. I'll show you guys first. Oh man! Okay, so I want you to take a look over here on the side, which is probably where it hit first. It's got significant damage, some spider webs, some cracks going down to the bottom of the phone. But over here on the top, there is a slight scuff on the frame where it probably hit next, and then just the tiny bit of a scuff over here on the other corner. But as I said before, this side was the one that sustained most of the damage. So if you just bought your brand new Galaxy S9, this is pretty devastating. However, in our last drop test of the S8, the screen managed to remain intact. So we're gonna test it out, dropping it screen side down to see if this side is any tougher than the back. Now bear in mind, it's already been compromised by the first drop. Here we go. That did not sound good, but let's take a look. I can already see that the cracks on the back actually expanded, and that's what the front looks like. I'm gonna take a look. Whoa, nothing on the front. Wow. So take a look here. It definitely landed screen side down. It didn't even sound great at the time, but it looks like it survived the hip height drop test without even a scratch. Now it's interesting because the back, however, continued to break. So one of the fractures got longer. It went through the entire middle of the phone and over here through the side. But what you really care about is still safe. So exactly what happened with the Galaxy S8, that the screen survived and the back did not. So even though the glass, or Samsung says that the glass is the same, it seems like somehow the screen is sturdier. So our Galaxy S9 did break on the first fall. However, the front never did. Almost exactly what happened with last year's S8. Now, does this mean that Samsung is somehow reinforcing their screens? Now, I don't know. I can't answer that. Take this test with a grain of salt because it is by no means scientific. What I do know is the sidewalk is very deadly and these phones are fragile, so please put a case on your brand new Galaxy S9 and make sure to watch the rest of our drop tests at CNET.com.